Hello there and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi. If you're new here, I am an absolute nail enthusiast, and today we're going to take the love of nails and translate it into a really cool holiday look. At least I think it's really cool. You'll have to let me know in the comment section at the end of the video, and I trust that you will watch all the way to the end and let me know if you agree that it is indeed cool. I was very inspired. I saw some decorations for Christmas that were very circular and very gold and blue. I also really love the photography trick where they take pictures of lights in a soft focus called bokeh. And so I thought I would bring all of those things together into one look and do a bokeh inspired holiday look with a blue and gold theme. There you go. That's a lot of words to say what we're doing today. Okay, so once I finished that second coat and got everything cured, I went on ahead and wiped off any tacky layer, and now I am coming in with a very thin coat of builder gel. And I'm going to do that on all 5 of the nails, but I'm just going to show you this one. And now you can see my blue and gold confetti glitter right there. I am grabbing a brush and fanning it out a little, picking up some glitter, and we're about to get real messy. Look, we're about to get real messy. Here we go. Messy, messy. And that is kind of the fun of this look. No rhyme or reason to where the glitter falls. Wherever it falls is where it falls. That is the thing about the bokeh look that I really enjoy. How it is very haphazard, very soft focus, and I think that using these confetti glitters is a really great way to convey that look on your nails. Now we are going to do another treatment to these before we're done, because I don't think the glitter on its own is soft focus enough, right? So we're going to add a little something here as soon as I am satisfied that all of the nails have the correct glitter placement. And again, I'm not trying to be too crazy with it, just trying to make sure that it's giving me the groupings that you see in that effect. That's what I really dig about it. Not only the soft focus of it, but just the way that the lights will look grouped together. Look up bokeh and you will see what I mean. Now, after curing that, we're gonna come in with some builder gel that I'm gonna mix with some white here. And the white that we're gonna use is that Modelones cream gel. And because that is really so pigmented and so thick, we are gonna need like the tiniest dot of that. Just that is all we're gonna need. And it's gonna give us an extremely milky sort of white, almost like a skim milk sort of white, right? And I am just pressing out all the bubbles so that when we come in to use it, we're not really fighting bubbles so much. And I am just doing the exact same thing that we did with the clear. I'm just doing a very thin layer of builder gel over the top of this confetti glitter, and that is giving us more of a soft focus look to the glitter. You can still see it shining. You can still see the light that it brings to the look, because glitter reflects the light the same way that you would see light reflecting in the bokeh shots. But that white is just giving it just that touch of soft focus that we want to represent the bokeh. or at least I think it's representing that. If you disagree, let me know below, but I think it actually came out pretty good. Now I do actually let these settle for several minutes before I pop them in the lamp, just because it gives you more of a self-leveled finish. And we are coming back in with one more very thin layer of builder gel, just to make sure that we're not super bumpy, right? If you were doing this not on press-ons, this would be something you'd encapsulate for sure. Now we are coming in with a top coat here, but this is not our final top coat actually. We're gonna go ahead and do a very quick buffing of all the nails, just to again make sure that we're as smooth as we can be, so that in the end the nails look really nice. I do want to say, when we get to reveal shots though, guys, this gray color is not the most complimentary to Carmen. It really kind of gives her almost a zombie look to her skin tone, which I found to be kind of a bummer. Not every color in the rainbow is going to complement every skin tone, and Carmen did not like this gray, so I will probably not force her to wear it again, or it could even be the combo of these three colors that she did not like. You'll see in the reveal shots. But here we are with the top coat, and look at how nice that glitter looks, even behind the white. To give it that soft focus, there's still a glow there, which of course you want, because you know we're trying to represent those bokeh lights, and they are soft focus, but they're still lights, they're still shining, so you get the effect of both. Guys, this is the finished set. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. We're gonna see you Friday for another video, and that is actually my birthday, so be sure to be here. We'll talk to you then. Mwah. Bye-bye.